The SP-500 auto positioning slitting system from Tidland combines decades of slitting knowledge with proven technology to create a highly accurate, safe, and reliable solution for your slitting needs. The SP-500 ensures your slit recipe is set up correctly every time. The unique actuator designed for positioning the anvils contacts the ring at 4 positions and moves it easily along the anvil shaft to the desired position. A second actuator positions the knife holder exactly where it needs to be to ensure proper side force at the nip point, further ensuring repeated accuracy and overall slit quality. The entire system is controlled through our easy-to-use touchscreen and software. Slit recipes can be stored and recalled, and setting up a new recipe takes seconds. The SP-500 slitting system can be configured with our proven Performance Series shear or crush knife holders, or our award-winning Control Series electronic shear knife holder. Combining the SP-500 with the Control Series Plus knife holder gives you full control over your slitting process by leveraging auto-positioning accuracy with the ability to precisely control blade overlap and side force at the slitting nip point. This knife holder features a closed-loop system that measures the side force applied at all times and adjusts it as necessary to ensure optimal slit quality. The benefits of the SP-500 extend well beyond just your slit quality. Accurate automatic positioning ensures that you have maximum throughput at the slitters with minimum downtime. Some customers have seen a 90% reduction in setup time compared to the lengthy operator and a tape measure manual process used in the past. In addition to that, the SP-500 completely removes the operator from the slitting zone, thus keeping them safely away from the sharp slitting blades. That means greater safety compliance, less workers' compensation claims, and more for your bottom line. For more information, visit us at maxcessintl.com.